This is an accessibility issue, but it's also good for search engine optimization as well. So if you're writing an article, you know how oftentimes articles will say click here, and then you have the here and it's hyperlinked? Well, someone who might be using a screen reader doesn't know what here means. Like they don't know where here goes to necessarily, right? And so top publishers, what they're doing these days is they're actually hyperlinking the term. So you can see in this example, this is an article on recommending to the federal government how to reform Canada's anti-spam legislation. And in a legislation that is anti-competitive, so I've actually hyperlinked anti-competitive to another article that I wrote. Does everybody understand that? So if it goes to another article, yeah, do you have a question? It works the same, but if let's say you're hyperlinking to, so in that example, they'll know, someone using a screen reader will know that the article is about anti-competitive, because that's the term that's hyperlinked. They might not know what here means. It's too general. You might hyperlink to a report. Well, you hyperlink the entire report. So then you know the title of the report if you're using a screen reader. Also good for SEO. So if that's going to an article on your own site, that's called interlinking. If it's going to, if somebody's linking to your website, they call that a backlink. Everybody's heard those terms, interlink, backlink. Both are actually good for SEO. So the more links that you're providing, more that Google will be able to connect the dots, and it'll be good for your SEO. Backlinks are very powerful because it shows third-party credibility. If they're coming into your site and they're credible sources, you want to make sure they're credible sources. But interlinking is useful as well because you're helping Google figure out what's going on, and Google likes that. Wants to provide a good search experience for its users.